Hi there, my name is Varun Sood and I'm a professional WordPress developer. I invite you to embark on a journey with me to learn the world's most popular website development platform called WordPress. WordPress powers more than 38% of the websites globally. With each passing day, WordPress is growing in popularity and it's never too late to learn this amazing platform. This is a project-based course, and what we are going to do is discuss practical, real-world examples to learn the tools and features necessary to create amazing websites. Before actually diving into WordPress, we'll do some groundwork. We'll start off by finding and buying a suitable domain for our website from Namecheap. I'll tell you the best practices to follow while making the purchase. To deploy our website, we'll purchase managed WordPress hosting from EasyWP, which offers nice features at very reasonable prices. You can buy hosting from any other company. The process is similar and you'll not face any issues. Another important foundation task is to set up a custom business email address. Custom emails at your domain look more professional and help you earn customers' trust as a legitimate business. I'll show you how to create custom business email addresses using G Suite and Zoho Mail. We'll then embark on our WordPress journey. After downloading WordPress from its official site, we'll upload it to our web server and install it. In this course, we would be working on the Astra theme, which has got over 1 million installs globally. Though Astra is free to use, it has got a Pro add-on which makes Astra even more powerful. I'll show you how to configure various settings available in Astra Pro. I'll also share a JSON file of the most common settings that I use on almost all websites that I make. You can simply import that file into your website to have a neat, usable website up and running in no time. This course covers one of the most popular page builder plugins called Elementor. Elementor allows you to create and edit websites in a visual way by employing the drag and drop technique. It comes with a very powerful toolset and makes it very easy to create a responsive website. Next, I'll show you how to take input from customers using forms without the need of any coding at all. Another common requirement in websites is to display data in a tabular format. I'll show you how to create nice looking tables that also get picked up by Google to be shown as featured snippets. For capturing leads, we'll work with pop-ups that get displayed automatically or on certain actions like button clicks. Next, I'll show you how to create chatbots that engage users and capture leads. SEO is an important aspect of every website. You'll learn how to set up Google Search Console, which is your website's interface with Google. I'll teach you how to configure the most important settings and to analyze several different pieces of data provided by Google. We'll then move on to Google Tag Manager, which allows you to manage all of your website tags without editing code. We'll set up several scripts on our website through Google Tag Manager. There's a lot extra in the form of bonus videos. It's a power-packed course. We'll create a fully functional website from scratch to give you the knowledge and confidence you need to create stunning websites. By having a website, You can sell products or book appointments online. You can start a blog to generate income through affiliate marketing or advertising. Or you can even sell websites to your clients. Whether you are a student, working professional, a business owner, or a homemaker, this course is for you. This course also comes with a money back guarantee. So, if for any reason you're not 100% satisfied with the course, I'll issue you a full refund within 7 days of purchase. No questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Please get enrolled right now and give me an opportunity to train you on the world's leading website development platform.